Hello, students of class 9th. There is a 5 marks question in today's first term exam of Bridgeford School, Ranchi, 2025-26. So see this question. This question is of 5 marks. State Newton's second law of motion. B. Derive the mathematical formula of Newton's second law of motion. Force is equal to mass into acceleration from the definition of momentum. A force C is a force of 100 Newton acts on a body of mass 20 kg for 5 seconds. If the body was initially at rest, calculate the acceleration produced, the final velocity of the body. So let us solve this question one by one. So let us come to the first question, that is Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion is force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum and force is equal to mass into acceleration. The mathematical derivation of the formula of Newton's second law of motion I had already explained earlier, which is in this paper. I will explain it once again. Force is proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Therefore, change in momentum is equal to final momentum minus initial momentum. Therefore, rate of change of momentum is equal to mass into v minus u by t. A separate video short I had sent earlier for the 9th class, but I am just revising it. Therefore, force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. So you can see force is equal to k into m v minus u by t, and ultimately force is equal to mass into acceleration. The SI unit of force is kg into meter per second square. So the Newton is equal to Newton denoted by N. So this was the new derivation of mathematical derivation of Newton's second law of motion. Now let us come to the last question, question number C. That is, you can see here, a force of 100 Newton acts on a body. The force of 100 Newton means, let us solve it separately. So in question it is given that a force of 100 Newton. So the answer is answer C1. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Therefore, acceleration is equal to, this implies acceleration is equal to force by mass. Force is, it is given in the question, force is 100 Newton and mass is 20 kg. So ultimately it comes 5 meter per second square. This is about the acceleration. Now second is velocity. So final velocity, force is equal to mass into v minus u by t. Now here mass is 20 kg, v is not given, u is 0, and time is 5 seconds. So and f we have just obtained, f is equal to force is equal to, force is given, that is 100 Newton. So here 100. So this implies v is equal to 100 into 5 upon 20. This is equal to 25 meter per second.